This out. I'm flying with my friend Sunday before church, like we always do. And I'm flying and I see a woman holding for her life inside the canal. And then I land in the middle of nowhere. And I come to rescue her and save her. You need help?
Oh my God! I fell with my car in here.
Let go of your left hand. Deja tu mano izquierda, deja la mano izquierda, déjala.
Ahora
Ah,
sí, ahora sí.
eso. Ah, eso.
Mire, el carro está ahí, tranquilo. Ya. Grande.
Let's just rest here for a minute. You're doing good now?
Wow.
Okay, I'm going to try to get you.
Wow.
Okay?
Wow. So, me and my friend Diego, we are flying this morning like we always do, Sunday before church.
We have to wait for a rest.
And I'm flying, I see a car in the canal. And I go around and I land in the middle of nowhere. And I land and we come and we start asking for help. A neighbor comes, grabs that lady. Was insane.
Oh, wow, man.
Diego, how insane was that?
Wow, this was the most insane situation I have never been before.
Oh my God. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Wow. Amazing. Wow. Hey, we pretty much saved this lady's life today, okay?
Definitely.
Oh my God. Rescue is here. Thank God everything is good now. Amazing. I'm flying, I see a woman inside the car. I'm like, wow, there's someone there. And then I had to land in a very dangerous situation here. But we landed and then called you guys. Thank you.
All right,
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Mira que aventura, hein? Que aventura. Oh, wow.